M has the coordinates 1, 3, and it is the midpoint of line AB, and we must complete A and B. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let A be -2 and small letter a, and I'm going to let B be, let's say, small letter b and +7. So the missing y coordinate for A is A, and the missing x coordinate for B is B. And we are now going to solve for A and B. Are you guys ready to start? Okay, so let's think about the midpoint formula. So the midpoint formula looks like this. x1 plus x2 divided by 2. This is the formula to determine the x coordinate, and the y coordinate is very similar. So this is going to be y1, so the first y coordinate plus the second y coordinate divided by 2. So this is the midpoint formula. Okay, so we know that the midpoint is 1, 3. So what I want us to do is I want us to focus on this first part, the x coordinate of the midpoint. Now, we know that the x coordinate of the midpoint is equal to 1. How do we know this? It's given in the question. Okay, so we are going to say 1 is equal to, we know that the first x coordinate is -2. Okay, so 1 is equal to -2 plus, what is the second x coordinate? It is equal to b. We don't know the value of b. Okay, and we are dividing this by 2. So now we have an equation with only one unknown. Can you guys see that? We have an equation with only one unknown, and the unknown in this case is b. Okay, so let's solve for b. I'm just going to write an x here because we are solving the x coordinate of the midpoint in this case. Okay, so we have b, which is the unknown. I want to get b alone. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this 2 over to the other side. I'm dividing on the right hand side. I have to do the inverse if I take it over the equal sign, which means I will multiply on the left hand side. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so then I have 2 equals -2 plus b. Now I want to get b alone, so what am I going to do? I'm going to take this -2 over to the other side, and it will become +2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to b. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So that means the value of b is equal to 4. Okay, so I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to write 4 over here. Now, we are going to do the exact same with the missing a value. I'm just going to use another color. All right, so we want to know the missing y value, so I'm going to use this second part of the midpoint formula. Remember, we know that the y value of the midpoint is equal to 3. So in this case, it's going to be 3 equals, what is the first y value? It is a. What is the second y value? It is 7, and we have to divide that by 2. So now we want to solve our unknown. So this is an equation with one unknown. The unknown is a, and we now want to solve for a. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 2 over to the other side. On the right hand side, I'm dividing, which means on the left hand side, I'll be multiplying because I have to do the inverse. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So then I have 6 equals a plus 7. Now I want to get a alone. So I'm going to take this +7 to the other side. When I take it over the equal sign, its sign will change, which means it will be 6 minus 7 equals a. Now, what is 6 minus 7? 6 minus 7 is equal to -1. So that means a has a value of -1. So I'm just going to erase this, and I'm going to write -1. Okay, so let's fill in the answers. This is -1, and this is 4.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.